Waqt laqgħa tal-Kumitat Parlamentari għal Kontijiet Pubbliċi, l-avukat tas-Sur Paul Apa Bologna għamlet dikjarazzjoni qiebsa li l-klijent tagħha kien qed jiġi iffastidjat. Dan fl-isfond ta' mistoqsijiet li bdew isiru minn membri tal-Oppożizzjoni fosthom id-deputati nazzjonalisti Beppe Fenakadami u Carola Colina lid-direttur tal-Electrogas. L-avukat Gianella De Marco kellha battipek jaħraq ma' Carola Colina dwar dan fejn saħqet li l-mistoqsijiet li bdew isiru kienu joħorġu mis-suġġett tar-rapport tal-awditur li propju fuq dan suppost qed jiddiskuti l-Kumitat għal Kontijiet Pubbliċi.
I'm not going to have my client being harassed.
You must stop him, not stop. You're trying to stop me. I won't
Trying
stop.
to stop harassing.
No,
Intant is-Sur Apa Bologna spjega kif huwa kien tkellem ma' qabel ma' Gvern Nazzjonalista dwar qalba l-gas fil-ġenerazzjoni tal-enerġija.
2006 I had spoken with the then Prime Minister, Dr. Lawrence Gonzi, who actually confirmed to me that I wasn't the first, and there were quite a host of people who had proposed projects that were similar to what I had proposed.
Apa Bologna semma bosta ministri fosthom lil Austin Gatto qal li derċar li fi żmien Gvern Nazzjonalista ma kienx hemm irrieda l-qalba tal-gass u minflok l-enerġija bdiet tiġi ġenerata bl-akbar żejt li jniġġes il-heavy fuel oil.
Minister Gatt, Minister Policino. Anyway, we had a number of discussions about this project. It got to a point where I felt that it wasn't going to move forward because, there didn't seem to be an appetite for it. So much so then another tender came out and the BWSC plant was awarded to run on HFO.
Intant wara bosta mistoqsijiet tal-Oppożizzjoni, l-avukat De Marco nnotat li hemm min qed juża dan il-Kumitat biex jiskorja punti politiċi.
Ħadd ma jagħmel jieħu vantaġġ politiku għaspejjeż ta' min qed jiġi biex jiġi.
If you decide to pursue
We're
those
not here
avenues.
for anyone
You
to
can go
score
down that route
political
as much,
points.
not to-
Is-Sur Apa Bologna ċaħat ukoll dwar il-proġett tal-Power Station li taħdem bil-gass u tkellem ma' xi ħadd qabel l-elezzjoni ġenerali tal-2013.
waħda bil-punti kienu propju jekk kienx hemm ftehim minn qabel l-elezzjoni.
Wait jgħidlek le,
dwar
ma
dan
kien hemm
il-proġett.
l-ebda
Issa jien qed
ftehim.
I've already answered that and I told you that there wasn't.